I am Ankit Jain and today I've got something exciting for you. Did you know that the global job market is projected to grow by 3.2% in 2024? That means opportunity for skilled graduates are expanding worldwide. Whether you are studying in the USA, Canada, Europe or India, the job market is shifting, creating incredible potential for international students. But let's find out, how do the economies of these countries influence job markets and what are the companies really looking for in new hires? Let's start. First up, let's talk about the economies in key countries. The global economy plays a big role in shaping job opportunities, and 2024 is shaping up to be the interesting year. Here's a quick look at what's happening. India's economy is booming at 6.3%, making it a hotspot for tech and service jobs. Companies like Infosys, Wipro, and TCS are leading this growth, not just hiring locally but also attracting talent from across the world. There is also a driving advancement in various fields such as drone tech, agricultural innovations, and financial technologies. China is growing at 4.6%, still a manufacturing powerhouse, but now shifting focus towards tech and green energy. Major companies like Huawei and Tencent are the forefront of this transition, expanding and driving job creation in both tech and engineering sectors. In USA, with 2.3% growth, the job market remains huge, especially in areas like tech, healthcare, and finance. Silicon Valley continues to dominate with companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft, offering positions to top talents globally, while advancements in AI are also creating new opportunities across various sectors. The UK's economy is growing with 1.1%, and while it's slower, London's financial district remains a hub for jobs in finance, consulting, and law, with leading firms like HSBC and Deloitte hiring heavily. Canada, with its 1.9% growth, has a solid job market, especially in tech, engineering, and healthcare. Companies like Shopify and even the growing AI and tech startups are creating massive opportunities. Australia, with 1.7% of growth, sees strong demand in mining, technology, healthcare, and companies like Alticin and Rio Tinto driving much of the hiring. In the European Union, Germany and France are steady at 1 to 2% growth. Germany's automotive industry with brands like Volkswagen and BMW is booming, while France's luxury and tech sectors with companies like LVMH and Dassault Systems are creating exciting opportunities. Now, let's pause for a second. How many of you guys are wondering this? If India is growing so fast and is such a major player in the global economy, why would you consider studying abroad? It's a great question actually, and here's the thing. While India offers immense job opportunities, studying abroad equips you with unique skills, job perspectives, and hands-on experience that you can bring back to Indian job market. These international experiences often position you for high-level roles, leadership positions, and faster career growth when you return home. In short, studying abroad isn't just about working overseas. It's about gaining the tools to learn and lead no matter where your career takes you. Now let's be real. A degree alone won't get you a dream job. Companies today are looking for more than just academic performance. They want problem-solving skills, adaptability, creativity, and technical skills like AI, data analytics, and software development. Don't forget about the soft skills either. Communication, teamwork, and leadership are just as important. Internships, real-world projects, and networking are the key to standing out. So how does the job market look for international students, specifically after graduation? If you are in the USA, the OPT program lets you work up to 3 years after graduation in fields like IT, healthcare, and engineering. In Canada, the PGWP allows you to work for up to 3 years, which often leads to permanent residency. The UK has the graduate route visa, which lets you stay and work for up to 2 years, and in Australia, depending on your qualification, you can stay for 2 to 4 years on a temporary graduate visa. Let's not forget about the role of universities in job placements. They are a huge help in securing jobs after graduation. In the USA, schools like Stanford and MIT are closely tied to companies like Google and Apple. Canada's University of Toronto partners with multinational companies, and the UK, Oxford and Imperial College have strong links with the industries, and in Australia, universities like UNSW help students connect with top employers through career services. Now, some of the best career hubs where opportunities are abundant include Silicon Valley, New York and Boston in the USA, Toronto, Vancouver and Montreal in Canada, London and Manchester in the UK, Sydney and Melbourne in Australia, Berlin and Munich in Germany, and Beijing and Shanghai in China. Corporate fairs are also a great way to meet potential employers. In countries like the USA and Canada, career fairs are huge and you can sometimes even get job offers on the spot. Employment rates for international students are pretty high, especially in Canada and Germany, where around 80% of the graduates land jobs within 6 months of graduating. So what should you focus on to secure a job abroad? First, make sure you are networking. Attend career fairs, make connections, and reach out to alumni. Gain hands-on experience through internships and work on both your technical and soft skills. Research the job market in your chosen country and industry and make full use of universities' career services, mentorship programs, and alumni network. Okay, that's the end. The global job market is full of opportunities, but success really depends on how well you prepare. So take these steps, gain the right skills, and leverage everything your university offers to land the dream job. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more insights on studying abroad and career planning. See you next time.